where we will find maximum and minimum number without using conditional operators. So let's try to find out or work out the logic. First of all, let's take a number A and B. Let's take A as 40 and B as 100. Python have divide by integer or integral division operator, double pipe, which returns an integer which is actually a typecast from, say, if A double slash B would imply that A is divided by B and then converted or typecasted to integer. So let's try to find the value of A integral divided by B and B integral divided by A. So if I write A integral divided by B, it will be 40 double slash 100. That will be 0.40 typecasted to integer. Will be 0. B double by A will be 2.50. Typecasted to integer will be 2. What if we convert this to bool? So all of this will be converted to bool. Boolean of 0 is false. However, for all non-zero values, Boolean will yield true. But again, if we convert it back to int, what will happen? The 0, the false, is again converted to 0 in integer, and for true, it is converted to 1. So we have two factors. We have this one and this one, which are yielding a value 0 and 1. This can be used to find their maximum and minimum number. How? Now once we know the logic, the max number will be A into bool A integral division by B plus B into Boolean of B integral divided by A. So how will this work? A is 40 into bool 40 integral divided by 100 plus B into bool, sorry, it shouldn't be, it will be the value, it's 100 into bool 100 by 40. The division, first division will yield 0 and the next division will yield true, 2. Bool will convert all 0 to false and all non-zero to true. But to perform the multiplication, Python will typecast it all false value to 0 and all true value to 1. So the answer is 100. Henceforth, this condition can be used to find the maximum number. But what if we want to find the minimum number? We will use this the same, but here we'll make some changes. With the same input, A equal to 40, B equal to 100. minimum will be p into whole a double integral division by p plus a into whole of the integral division by a. Let's try out the values. 100 into boolean of 40 double by 100 plus 40 boolean of 40 integral division by b. A. Inside 40 integral division by 100 will be 0, whereas the other one will be, so we have printed it wrong, so 100 integral division by 40 should be 2. Bool of 0 will output false. Bool of 2 will output true. Again, for multiplication, false is converted to 0 and all trues are converted to 1. So the output is 40. Let's try it out. The problem should be find max and minimum by using conditional operations. No conditional operations. So first number, let's write it first, and second will be map in input into the numbers and explain. So we expect two numbers from the user. Now we find maximum as first into boolean of first integral division by second plus second into boolean of second integral division by first. In the next line, we will just replace first by second outside the bracket and second by first inside the bracket. Rest of the code will remain the same. So the max is maximum and min is minimum. Let's try to run this code. 40, 100. So your max is 100, 40. Let's again try to see what happened. So we have entered two strings, two numbers or numbers and separated by space. These are taken in string here. Split will cause this two to be broken down into a string array. After that, mapping will cause each of this to be converted into an array of integer or a tuple of integer. And now this first one will be assigned to the first variable and the second will be assigned to the second variable. So what we have 40, we have 100. Now the first step is maximum. So first is 40, second is 100. For the second part is 100 by 40. So 40 by 100 will reduce to 0, while 100 by 40 will reduce to 2. Bool will again cause it to be true, which transform to 1. whereas here 0 will be converted to false, and for multiplication it becomes 0. Second is already 100. So 100 into 1, and first is 40 into 0. So this part is gone, and 100 into 1 is assigned. That's 100. Max become 100. For the second part, first plus second is already 0, and this is 2, which is converted to true, then to 1 for multiplication purpose. And 0 is converted to false, and then to 0. So what had happened? Now we place the second number 100, and here we place the first number 40. So 100 into 0 plus 40 into 1. So this part is gone. 40 into 1 is 40, which is assigned to no. Stands for in print max is equal to 100 and min is 40. So that's how the algorithm works. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.